Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. 403 Forbidden, understanding, diagnosing, and fixing the error. The 403 forbidden error is a standard HTTP status code that indicates the server understands the request, but it's refusing to fulfill it. Essentially, you're trying to access something you're not allowed to see. Think of it like trying to enter a building, knowing the address is correct, but the security guard won't let you in because you don't have the required clearance. This error is distinct from a 404 not found error, which means the server couldn't find the requested resource at all. With a 403, the server knows the resource exists, but it won't let you access it. This comprehensive guide will delve into the intricacies of the 403 forbidden error, covering its common causes, how to diagnose the issue, and the specific steps you can take to fix it, including relevant code examples where applicable. Understanding the 403 forbidden error. The 403 forbidden error signifies that the server understands the request, but the client, your browser or application, doesn't have the necessary permissions to access the requested resource. This denial can be intentional, stemming from access control configurations on the server, or it can be unintentional due to misconfigurations. Key takeaways ** resource existence * the server knows the resource you're trying to access exists. * permission issue * you're trying to access something you don't have permission to see. * not a bug, necessarily it's often a deliberate security measure, but sometimes it's a misconfiguration. 2. Common causes of 403 forbidden errors. Understanding the root cause is crucial for effectively resolving the 403 error. Here's a breakdown of the most common culprits. 1. Missing or incorrect index file ***. Explanation ** Many web servers are configured to serve a default file, typically index.html, index.php, default.htm, etc., when a directory is requested. If this file is missing, and directory listing is disabled, a 403 error will occur. Example * you request https://example.com/images/. The server looks for https://example.com/images/index.html, or similar. If it doesn't find it, and directory listing is off, you get a 403. 2. Insufficient file permissions ***. Explanation * files and directories on the server have associated permissions that determine who can read, write, and execute them. If the web server process doesn't have sufficient permissions to read the requested file, it will return a 403 error. This is especially common on Linux/Unix-based servers. Example * the web server user, example www.data, Apache, needs to read https://example.com/private/document.pdf. If the document.pdf file is owned by another user and its permissions prevent access by others, you'll get a 403. 3. Access configuration errors, Apache servers. Explanation * the .access file, used on Apache servers, allows you to configure various server settings on a per directory basis. Incorrectly configured .access rules can inadvertently block access to specific files or directories, leading to a 403 error. Example * an .access file with a deny from all rule in the root directory will prevent all visitors from accessing your website. 4. IP address blocking ***. Explanation * web servers or firewalls can be configured to block access from specific IP addresses or IP address ranges. If your IP address is blocked, you will receive a 403 error. This can be intentional, example blocking malicious bots, or unintentional, example mistakenly blocking a legitimate user. 5. Hotlinking prevention asterisk. Asterisk explanation asterisk hotlinking is when another website directly links to an image or file hosted on your server, using your bandwidth. To prevent this, servers can be configured to block requests for specific files, usually images, that originate from domains other than your own. Asterisk example asterisk if website.com tries to display an image directly from example.com/images/logo.png and example.com is configured to block hotlinking, website.com users will see a 403 error, or a placeholder image. 6. Web Application Firewall, WAF, rules asterisk. Asterisk explanation asterisk WAFs are security solutions that inspect HTTP traffic and block requests that appear malicious or suspicious. If a WAF rule is triggered by your request, it can return a 403 error. This is common if you're using cloud-based security services like Cloudflare or Sucuri. 7. Disabled directory listing asterisk. Asterisk explanation asterisk web servers often have directory listing disabled for security reasons. If you try to access a directory without an index file and directory listing is disabled, you'll get a 403. This is a security best practice. 8. Incorrect ownership of files/directories asterisk. Asterisk explanation asterisk in Linux/Unix systems, files and directories have an owner and a group. If the web server user does not have permission to access files or directories owned by a different user or group, it can lead to 403 errors. This is a common issue when deploying applications. 9. Software or plugin conflicts asterisk. Asterisk explanation asterisk in CMS environments like WordPress, conflicts between plugins or between a plugin and the core CMS can sometimes trigger 403 errors. 10. SSL/TLS configuration issues asterisk. Asterisk explanation asterisk sometimes, outdated or misconfigured SSL/TLS settings, like requiring TLS 1.2 or higher, can cause 403 forbidden errors on older clients. 3. Diagnosing the 403 forbidden error. Before attempting any fixes, it's essential to accurately diagnose the cause of the error. Here's a systematic approach. 1. Check the error message asterisk. Asterisk the 403 error message itself might provide clues. Some servers provide more descriptive errors. For example, instead of a generic 403 forbidden, it might say 403 forbidden, you do not have permission to access this resource. 2. Examine the server logs asterisk. Asterisk location asterisk the location of server logs varies depending on the web server software and operating system. Common locations include asterisk Apache asterisk /var/log/apache2/error.log, Ubuntu/Debian, /var/log/httpd/error_log, CentOS/rhel. Asterisk nginx asterisk /var/log/nginx/error.log. Asterisk analysis asterisk open the error log and look for entries corresponding to the time you encountered the 403 error. The log messages will often provide specific details about the reason for the error, example permission denied, invalid.access rule. 3. Use browser developer tools asterisk. Asterisk access asterisk press F12, or Ctrl+Shift+I or CMD+Option+I on Mac OS, to open your browser's developer tools. Go to the Network tab. Asterisk analysis asterisk refresh the page that's giving you the 403 error. The Network tab will show all the HTTP requests made by the browser. Look for the request that resulted in the 403 status code. Examine the headers section for any relevant information, especially response headers. Sometimes, the server sends custom headers that provide additional details. 4. Test with different browsers or devices ***. This helps determine if the issue is specific to your browser or device configuration, example browser extensions, cached credentials. 5. Check your IP address ***. Use a website like https://whatismyipaddress.com/ to determine your public IP address. If you suspect IP address blocking, you can use a VPN or proxy server to change your IP address and see if the problem persists. 6. Clear browser cache and cookies ***. Sometimes, outdated cached data can cause issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies for the affected website to see if that resolves the problem. 7. Check for .access issues, Apache servers. If you suspect .access is the culprit, temporarily rename the .access file, example to .access_backup, and reload the page. If the 403 error disappears, then the .access file is definitely the source of the problem. You can then examine the file's contents line by line to identify the problematic rule. 8. Check file permissions, Linux/Unix. Connect to the server via SSH. Use the lsl command to list the permissions of the files and directories in question. Example. The output will look something like the first part, RWRR, represents the permissions. User 1 is the owner of the file. Group 1 is the group associated with the file. Ensure the web server user, example www.data or Apache, has at least read, R, access to the file and execute, X, access to the directories leading to the file. 4. How to fix the 403 forbidden error. Once you've diagnosed the likely cause, here's how to address the 403 forbidden error. 1. Create or verify the index file ***. Solution ***. If the error occurs when accessing a directory, create an index file, example index.html, index.php, in that directory. Code example, index.html. Upload this file to the directory on the server. If an index file already exists, make sure it's named correctly and is accessible. 2. Adjust file permissions, Linux/Unix. Solution ***. Use the chmod command to modify file permissions. Use the chown command to change file ownership. Important ***. Be careful when modifying permissions. Overly permissive permissions can create security vulnerabilities. Code example ***. Let's say you need to grant read permissions to the web server user, www.data, on the document.pdf file. Chmod 644, or chmod a plus rug plus w/path/to/file, sets permissions. Owner, read, 4, plus write, 2, equals 6. Group, read, 4. Others, read, 4. Chmod 755 gives read, write, and execute to the owner, and read and execute to group and others. This is common for directories. Chown www.data changes the owner and group to the www.data user. You might use Apache instead, depending on your server configuration. 3. Correct .access errors, Apache. Solution ***. Carefully review your .access file for any incorrect rules. Example, incorrect. Example, correct, allow access from specific IP. Explanation The order deny allow tells Apache to first process the deny directives and then the allow directives. If a request matches a deny directive, it's blocked unless it also matches an allow directive. Replace 192.168.1.100 with the IP address you want to allow. Important after making changes, save the .access file and test if the 403 error is resolved. 4. Whitelist your IP address solution if you're being blocked due to IP address restrictions, example by a firewall or security plugin, you need to whitelist your IP address. The method for whitelisting varies depending on the specific security solution. Firewall, example iptables, firewalled. Consult your firewall documentation for instructions on adding rules to allow traffic from your IP address. Web application firewall, WAF, example Cloudflare, securely log into your WAF provider's dashboard and add your IP address to the whitelist. Many WAFs have a feature to view blocked IPs. Star.access less common, but possible, remove or modify any deny rules that are blocking your IP address, or add an allow rule for your IP. Example, iptables. Replace your _IP address with your actual IP address. 5. Disable hotlinking prevention, if applicable. Solution if hotlinking prevention is causing the issue, example you're trying to display an image from your server on another website, you can disable it. This is usually configured in your .access file, Apache, or web server configuration, nginx. Example, .access, removing hotlinking protection. Comment out or remove any rules related to hotlinking protection. 6. Review WAF rules, if applicable. Solution if you're using a WAF, check its logs and rule sets to see if any rules are being triggered by your requests. You may need to adjust the rules or whitelist your IP address. 7. Enable directory listing, not recommended for production. Solution while not recommended for production environments due to security concerns, you can temporarily enable directory listing to see the contents of a directory that's causing a 403 error. This can help you confirm if the necessary files are present. Example, .access. Caution remember to disable directory listing after troubleshooting. 8. Troubleshoot plugin conflicts, WordPress and other CMSs. Solution if you suspect a plugin conflict, try deactivating all plugins and then reactivating them one by one to identify the culprit. 9. Review SSL/TLS configuration, if applicable. Solution check your SSL/TLS settings and ensure they are properly configured. For example, you may need to update your server to use TLS 1.2 or higher to support modern clients. Example, Apache. In your SSL virtual host configuration file, usually /etc/apache2/sites available /your_site ssl.conf or similar, add or modify the following line. This disables SSL v3, TLS v1, and TLS v1.1, requiring TLS 1.2 or higher. Important after making changes, restart your Apache server. Sudo systemcll restart Apache 2. V. Code examples, illustrative. These examples are meant to provide a conceptual understanding and may need adaptation to your specific environment. 1. PHP, checking file existence and permissions This PHP code helps verify if the file exists and if the web server user has the necessary permissions. The is_executable check for the directory is crucial because the web server needs to be able to traverse the directory path to access the file. 2. Python, checking file existence and permissions *. This Python code provides similar checks for file existence and readability, including a simplified check for directory execute permissions. Using a try, except block to catch permission error is a common way to check for file permissions in Python. os.access, directory, os.x_ok, is another way to check for execute permission. 3. Bash script, correcting file permissions *. This bash script automates the process of changing file ownership and permissions. Make sure to replace /var/www/html/private/document.pdf, www.data, and www.data with the appropriate values for your system. Always run such scripts with caution, as incorrect permissions can have security implications. 6. Preventing future 403 forbidden errors. Proactive measures can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering 403 forbidden errors. Implement proper access control. Carefully plan and implement access control policies on your server. Use the principle of least privilege, granting only the necessary permissions to users and applications. Regularly review .access files. If you're using Apache, periodically review your .access files to ensure the rules are correct and haven't inadvertently blocked access. Secure file uploads. When handling file uploads, carefully sanitize file names and set appropriate permissions to prevent malicious files from being uploaded and executed. Use a web application firewall. WAF. A WAF can help protect your website from various attacks, including those that might lead to 403 errors. Monitor server logs. Regularly monitor your server logs for any suspicious activity or errors that might indicate permission issues. Automate deployment processes. Use deployment tools, example Ansible, Chef, Puppet, to automate the deployment process and ensure consistent file permissions and configurations across your servers. Keep software updated. Keep your web server software, operating system, and any related software, like PHP, updated with the latest security patches. 7. Conclusion. The 403 forbidden error, while initially frustrating, is a valuable security mechanism that prevents unauthorized access to your web server's resources. By understanding the common causes, carefully diagnosing the issue, and implementing the appropriate fixes, you can effectively resolve 403 errors and maintain the security and integrity of your website. Remember to always prioritize security best practices and follow the principle of least privilege when managing file permissions and access control.